I'll just give it another second or so for people to start popping in before we get started. What's up, Bruno? How you doing, man? What's up, Noon? Good to see you in here. Igloo, what's up? John, what's up, man? What's up, boss? Decent action today. I'm pretty excited. Think it's gonna be a good day today. And I've been doing a better job at, what's up, Preston? I've been doing a better job at just waiting for backside. Yesterday, killer day for me. Actually, it was almost 28K, but borrows were like almost 5 grand. So borrows were insane yesterday. So pretty solid yesterday. Had a good read on most things. MDRR, which was solid. Just took the backside after it had cracked. After the borrows. Actually, the borrows, they did get a little cheaper, but they were still very scarce. So I had to just look for them and waited until I found some. IDXG was solid. Preston, do you rock one chart at a time? Just curious. No, actually, I have a bunch, and then I have another screen here, obviously to the left, that once I'm off live stream, then I throw charts on there so I can watch them all at the same time. That's why I have dual screen. It's just for live stream so that you guys can kind of see everything. So yeah. What's up, Tom? Anyway, let's just go through what I have on watch from yesterday, and then also the gappers for today. So I had more on watch, but stuff isn't. It's just gapping down, so there's no range on the other ones I had. But and MDRR, if you guys traded this one yesterday at all, it was a huge mover, obviously, that has now since come down and failed. There's still room to back down to like the mid ones that it can give back. So ideally, what I would be looking for now is pops into key levels, and which are 3.4, 3.9, 4.3, and just easy to identify the levels, especially if you were trading or watching this one. You kind of know where it found support, where it found resistance. So however, I don't really think that this can get back to 340, because that would be like a 50% move, and going from 25% red to going that would be from 20% red to like 30% green or something. That's a big move, so I doubt that's gonna happen, but I would love it. But if not, I actually may just start into a morning pop and just risk off of, instead of risking off of these levels up here at 430s, I'd be just risking off of some of these or something like that. But I would just have to see how the price action starts going. So the other one is SPI, nice. That's solid. I'll get to this one in just a second. Yeah, didn't hit any of my key levels yet, so I'll get to it. IDXGs, same sort of deal as MDRR, just different type of morning and pre-market action. But if you look at the daily, it's obviously failed as well on good volume too. 50 mil or so. So today, what I'm going to be looking for is same exact plan as MBRR, just pops into key levels and then fade it back down. We got 410, 430, 460s, those levels, and then fade back down would be nice. KXIN, I was hoping for more. I was hoping for a much bigger gap today, and it's a fresh chart, so who knows how much it could have ran, but it ended up stopping short. So now I am looking for the backside on this. You can just see that 219 clear top. You got 175 as well. So pops to really 175 ideal, risking off at 219. depending on how high we get on the pop, may just risk off of the 175s. So that's really it that I have for watch from yesterday. So, ooh, okay. I may start into a pop. Let me go over SPY because now I'm closely watching it. I was waiting for this. So if you guys remember SPY, this one was a huge runner from like almost nothing, like $1 or $2, all the way up to 46. Huge move, huge short squeeze. So now it's created obviously a lot of bag holders, and anybody who chased is literally anybody who chased is now done money that hasn't sold yet. So just looking into key levels on chart, let me see if I have. Yeah, there is a month chart, so, or intraday chart, I mean. Come on. Holy moly, nice on SPY or on staff. Why? Okay. So just, looking at, you got your key levels here, obviously from 12 to like 20, 24, there's a lot of resistance. So here's what I was looking for. Basically just, this 1280 is clear support. It was all morning. And I was kind of hoping maybe this could consolidate and then squeeze to like 17 bucks. But it doesn't look like we're getting that. So, and it looks like it just trapped a lot of breakout buyers. Clearly, anybody who was trying to buy anticipating and after the breakout is now dumped on. So it's kind of bad news. That's a big stuff. So I'm looking for pops into. Let me actually alert the room. I mean, this is technically still kind of holding this 1280s level, VWAP. So, ideally a $12 test, and then look for pops. But I mean, I was looking for 17, but now it looks like it's rejecting and has stuffed. So now I'm just gonna be looking for backside, just trying to stay patient, not gonna try to get in front of it. Yes, it has obviously ran and halted huge, like it did last time, but they've sold shares into that previous run, so the float is higher this time around. So you're not gonna get as crazy of a move. Plus there's bag holders now, so and the other one was so that's my plan on SPY. The other one was staff. Now this one was similar to KXIN. Not really a lot of volume weighted resistance, and so I was hoping for this one to kind of gap up, and maybe we could get a multi-day runner out of this, because we haven't had a multi-day runner in a while. So I'm thinking that this may be the one. We had a nice after hour squeeze, and it's holding this level, and now it's breaking out. So I'm not touching it pre-market. I'm gonna wait for the open, see what it does. Maybe we can get good moves out of it. SPI keeps coming lower. Nice, very nice. Just confirming backside. I like this. It's easy to borrow though, so sort of, kind of, it's. I wouldn't say it's super cheap, but in this market, it's not too expensive to borrow either. Nothing else really doing much. I wanted to go over some questions. So, Sion, could you make a video of your computer itself in the future? It looks kind of cool. I mean, not crazy. I didn't build this myself. I'll just tell you right now is I buy power. Got it for like $1,200 off of Best Buy, and it works sweet, and I have no issues. I don't know much about computers. I've only started learning stuff when I was when I was researching on buying a gaming PC. But it's a i7 9700 NVIDIA. I really don't remember, but I don't remember what graphics card, but I don't know a lot about computers, so probably not going to do a video on that. What's up, Mr. Howard? Tom, you're looking for those pops into key levels as entry points for shorting. Yes, exactly. Staff going, yep. SPI big dump from 14s. Chat room bagged on top. Exactly. What do you think about Alper? What do I think about Fless? Sounds like something I don't want to trade. Yeah, it's an OTC. Don't trade that. Well, short live stream. You know, not a whole lot. You know, just kind of waiting for. Probably gonna start into SPI actually. I took a little starter here. I'd love to see 12. Really anything over 13s to, you know, get a little bit more size. So that's that. You guys have any more questions, let me know, but looks like a shorter live stream today. But you know, main watch, SPI, staff just kind of seeing what it does, no plan, KXIN, IDXG, MDRR, similar plans, just looking for pops into key levels. That's about it. Julian, congrats on the big day yesterday. Thank you, appreciate that. Hopefully more to come. You're welcome, Noon. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, Preston. It was a pretty sick day yesterday.